Alright, this is the very first video on this channel. My name is Saurav and I welcome all of you to this channel. In this channel, you will see real reviews on low-cost daily essential products. No fancy filters, no fluff, just honest talk. Now, on the very first day, I will unpack a very important daily essential product that we use twice a day. This is an ultra soft toothbrush. Now, before I open this package, quick question to all of you. Do you know there are 3 or 4 types of toothbrushes available in the market? One is hard, and the second one is medium, and the third one is soft, and the fourth one is ultra soft. Do you really know what kind of toothbrush you are using right now? Let me know in the comment section below. Most dentists, even the Indian Dental Association, actually say to use a soft toothbrush. So here is it. Without any further delay, let's quickly unpack this and let's see what is there inside. Alright, time for the big reveal. Now let's see what we have got here. And ta-da! Here it is out of the pack. Okay, let's look at it closely and see what my first thoughts are. Remember, this is my very first impression. I have not brushed my teeth with it. So we are basically seeing this together for the first time. Let me first do one thing. Bring those toothbrushes out of this packaging. Awesome. I will go over their claims one by one. Now, the first claim they make is ultra soft bristles. I hope my camera is able to focus on the bristles right now. And I run my finger over the bristles. As you can see, they are feeling very soft. So the ultra soft claim, at least as of now, I think the claim is perfect. But I need to again use this toothbrush to justify their claim. Now, the next claim they make is Ultrafoam system. What is that basically? So basically, when you brush your teeth with this toothbrush, it will make a little more foam than usual toothbrushes. Again, looking at the bristles, because you see they are very dense, right? Looking at these bristles, I can assume that they may form a little bit more foam than usual toothbrushes. So no complaints on that. Again, I have to use that, and I will post my review video, complete review video within 1 week. So these are the basic 2 claims they make. Now the next thing is brush head and handle design. The brush head is nice and compact basically, as you can see. For me, that usually means it can reach all those little corners of your mouth, especially the back teeth. The handle also feels good in my hand too. I mean, it's not weak, it feels sturdy. It has a decent grip as well. As you can see, those zigzag patterns out here. This looks very comfortable. I mean, if you hold this like this and brush your teeth like this shouldn't be a big deal. It will give you a comfortable feel. Now, overall quality, I would say for the price, seems very promising. It doesn't feel cheap. So far, I'm pretty satisfied. So, what is my first opinion based on the unpacking? Does this Colgate Ultrafoam Ultrasoft Toothbrush seem to be a good contender when it comes to, soft bristles and ultrafoam thing? Now, my gut feeling is yes, because when I run my finger on this bristles, this really genuinely feels very soft. Now, the real test begins for me, because I will use this toothbrush and choose this green one. This looks a bit, eye-catchy too. So, I will use this and then I will come back again with my full in-depth review for this Ultrafoam Ultrasoft Toothbrush. If their promises are correct, then this is gonna be very helpful for people who is having tooth decays, elderly people. I am currently suffering from kind of tooth decay, and I'm really hoping that this is gonna be helpful for me as well. So if it is helpful for me, I will pass on that information to you all so that you can also get benefited from my experience. If this first look helped you, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for daily use, low cost products and real reviews. Thank you so much.